cost. You want to make a ton of money and be rich and famous? It comes at a cost. You want to prioritize your health and your joy? It comes at a cost. You want to be obsessed with taking care of other people? It comes at a cost. Like, you have to just weigh the costs. Everything comes at a cost.
Now, most of us does not want to acknowledge the cost. Umaabot pa sa punto that we are going to blame other people. Be-blame natin yung sistema, ibe-blame natin yung malas, swerte, lahat sisisihin natin para lang hindi tayo maging responsable doon sa mga bagay na dapat ibinibigay natin kapalit nung mga gusto natin. Hindi natin ina-acknowledge na yung mga gusto natin ay may kasamang kapalit. And yung kapalit minsan, dine-deny natin. Ginagawa natin, hindi dapat ganito ang kapalit niyan. We are not acknowledging truth. I will always be a fan of Full Metal Alchemist. And I always believe in equivalent exchange. Now, karamihan sa atin has the mentality na kaya nating dugasin si truth. Kaya nating maisahan, mautakan si truth. But that's not going to happen. Yes, for the meantime, it will look like na nagawa nating lokohin yung si truth. But, yung kapalit nun will come on a different way. Karamihan kasi sa atin, we think that by acting as a victim, malulusutan natin or maiisahan natin si truth in giving what we should be. Giving in exchange for what we want. That's not going to happen. Sooner or later, babalik sa inyo yung karma na yan. And yung lesson na yun, yung sakit ng lesson na yun, yung magtuturo sa inyo na hindi mo pwedeng dugasin yung katotohanan at makuha mo yung mga gusto mong makuha nang hindi nagbibigay ng karampatang kapalit. Well, this is your lifestyle coach, Mark. You could book a free clarity session so that we could check if we could work together towards your goal. Have a good day.